from SewingGold.com. We're going to show you how to adjust the tension release on this T111-155. This is going to be very similar for most any machine, even a regular straight stitch Juki. So we're going to show you the tension release right now. What we're going to do is we're going to remove, let's show them first, Alberto, before you do that. Tighten that back up. Show them the release itself. So if you could see those discs, see how the discs move? Let me get a little, do it again. Back, up. Okay, so that's how it releases. See how the tension is releasing? Occasionally, if this piece moves and it comes out, you're not going to get that tension release. So he's going to remove the tension. Take it out. Okay, so now in this tension we've got the, we've got that little pin here. See this little pin? That's actually what's releasing the tension. That's actually pushing on the tension itself. Inside the machine there's a piece once you use the knee lift, and it's going to push on that piece. So he's going to put the tension back, and basically he's going to put it back so where he feels that it's pressing against the piece inside the machine, and he's going to tighten that back up and see how the tension still releases. Now put it down. So if I touch this right now, it's nice and tight. Can you release? And released, it's like that. Okay, so remember, tight, won't move, release, moves. Okay, so you may have to adjust that. The little piece inside should never move. It's possible, quite possible, that this little screw right here possibly was loose, and if the tension's out too much, okay, then it won't release properly. Okay. If you have any questions, just give us a call, 888-505-4565. Thank you.